Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about how to enable do not disturb in our realme phone. Guys, you want to enable your do not disturb mode. So friends, you can enable it, and guys, now let's see how to enable do not disturb in our realme phone. In this video I will show you guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like my video. So and first of all open your phone setting to enable your do not disturb mode setting, and guys how can you use I will show you. So once you can see your sound and vibration setting realme phone, tap here. So once you can see your sound and vibration setting guys, you can use from here. And as you can see do not disturb mode guys, tap here. So as you can see your do not disturb mode notification, your phone will not ring or vibrate except alarm and timers. The status bar will show a moon icon when do not disturb mode is on when enabled. So you want to enable, you can enable, and as you can see schedule option, you want to schedule it, you can schedule from here. So as your phone will not ring and vibrate except your alarm and timers. So like that guys, you can enable your do not disturb mode, and guys you can see this moon icon on your screen. So after enable do not disturb guys, you can see this moon icon in your on your screen. So like that guys, you can enable your do not disturb mode in your realme phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. We will meet on next video. Bye friends.